All right, today we're going over high plank reaches. This is one of the more advanced plank progressions that we have, but it's really great for introducing a little bit of rotational stability in our core. So instead of just that static hold, we're going to be lifting our limbs, and again, your core is just forced to stabilize you in a little bit of a different way. So there's different variations and different degrees of this, but again, we want to start in that high plank position. The first thing you can do is start with your legs. This is probably the easiest. From there, you can start lifting the hands. So you're going to go hand, hand. And then the hardest progression is you're going to do opposite hand, opposite leg at the same time. So what it's going to look like, just like that. And back down. So again, the things that you want to look out for is that we're not twisting, especially when we lift our hands, we're not kind of rotating over this hand. We're maintaining that strong plank position throughout the whole time. So there you have it. That's the high plank alternating reach.